Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss Op-Amp and Linear ICs Laboratory 18 EEL 48 by Professor Vanilla DA and Professor Ramya K. Experiment number 6. Design and verify the operation of Op-Amp as an adder, subtractor, integrator and differentiator. Op-Amp as summer. Aim to design and implement adder, subtractor circuit using Op-Amp. Now this is the summer circuit. The input is given at inverting terminal, so your output will be 180 degree out of phase with respect to input. Negative feedback provided between pin number 2 and 6. Now this is the subtractor circuit. Then one input is given at inverting terminal, the other input is given at non-inverting terminal. So here the input will be subtractor and you will get the output at the pin number 6. Now this is the design of your adder. So here output voltage will be minus A into V1 plus B into V2 plus C into V3. A, B, C is nothing but your amplitude of voltage V1, V2, V3. So here we are having different amplitude. A is equal to 1, B equal to 1.5, C equal to 2. From that we are going to find the value for resistance R1, R2, R3 and the feedback resistance. Now your output voltage V0 will be minus 1, that is nothing but A, B, C value 1, 1.5, 2 and X1 is nothing but your value of voltage V1, V2, V3. So obtained voltage will be minus 4.5. Next, this is the design of your subtractor. Your output voltage is minus R3 divided by R1. So it is into V2 divided by V1. So from that you are going to choose the values R1, R2, R3, R4 as 1 kilo ohm and V1 equal to 1 volt and V2 equal to 5 volt. So we are going to get the voltage minus 5 volt. Now this is the procedure. The circuit is connected as per the circuit diagram given and whatever the values we have designed, that we are going to choose properly. Now supplying the DC voltage at pin number 7 and pin number 4 and using multimeter we are going to find the output voltage. Now this is the output obtained from the circuit diagram. Now I will show the practical demonstration of adder circuit as well as the subtractor circuit. Now this is the practical demonstration video of adder circuit. I will show the adder circuit.
Have connected the circuit. The feedback resistance what we have used, it is a 10k, and here we have used two 1k resistance. One is given through the two resistance. One end is connected to the input DC voltage. So here the DC voltage for in one RPS is set to 1.1 and the DC voltage in the other RPS is set to 3.8. To make this circuit to work, I need to give the biasing voltage. The biasing voltage is given through a separate RPS plus VCC and minus VE. So it is your plus VCC and this is your minus VE. It is connected to pin number 7 and minus VE is connected to pin number 6. So when you connect the circuit according to this circuit diagram and output, I am going to view it in channel 2. Here no need of viewing the input because we are going to give the input voltage in RPS and it is a digital meter, so directly you can view what voltage you are giving it from this RPS. So when you switch on the biasing voltage, you are getting the output in CRO. When you look at this, it is your origin line. So in this origin line, it is your output is negative since you are connecting the input at the inverting terminal, and since it is an amplifier, you are getting here 10 volt for a input. The biasing voltage RPS to the connected circuit as shown here, you will get the output voltage in the CRO. So when you closely watch the CRO output, you are getting the output voltage in the negative. It means that your inverting terminal voltage input given at the inverting terminal is higher than the voltage applied at the non-inverting terminal. One more example also we can see. Now we are going to reduce the voltage at pin number 2. It means that it is your inverting terminal voltage I am going to reduce, whereas the non-inverting terminal voltage I have increased. So when I increase this voltage, so you will get the output to be positive. You can see the output in the CRO to be positive. So this is how you need to, subtractor means V1 minus V2. So when you see the output voltage between 5.8 minus 0.6, so you will get approximately 5.2 at the output. This is how you wanted to construct the circuit for a subtractor using an op-amp, and you have to verify the output. It is just like a manual calculation.